How are you? To achieve a high score in Block Blast, a strategy focused on planning, efficiency, and timing is key. One of the most important aspects is to always look ahead and think about how your next move is going to be and affect the rest of the board. It's essential to clear larger sections of the board to create space and avoid being overwhelmed by the blocks. Try to group similar blocks together and aim for large combos, as this will help you clear more blocks at once, increasing your score. Using special items or boosters wisely can make a big difference in reaching high scores. These boosters can clear multiple blocks, even reset parts of the board, giving you a strategic advantage. However, it's important to save these items for situations where they can have the most impact rather than just using them randomly. Managing your moves efficiently is also crucial. Avoid making unnecessary moves. Always try to maximize the blocks that you can clear with each action. Keeping the board organized and minimizing the block clutter will help you stay ahead. Lastly, patience is important. Sometimes waiting for the right opportunity to make a big move will be more effective than rushing into a quick decision. And with these strategies, high score becomes way more attainable.